Hey guys, I'm at one of my favorite stores, Costco. I love Costco for so many reasons. For one, I grew up shopping here with my mom and my dad, and it's very nostalgic. I love to just walk around, see what they're selling, have some samples maybe. I love Costco, but I also love it because it's great prices on high quality things. Everything from stuff for your car, stuff for your house, to stuff for your kitchen, stuff to eat. So today I'm here to stock up on my essentials, the things that I buy here every 2 months or so. And we're also going to explore and see what else they're selling. You know, I'm not sure. I have a list, but I'm flexible. If I see some stuff that will suit me, I'll buy it. And in the end, I always end up spending way more money than I set out to spend. So let's go inside, see what they've got, stock up on everything I know I need that is on my list. And I'm sure regardless, I am going to leave happy. Oh, you do have my cookbook in stock? Great, thanks, bye. Have you ordered my cookbook, Vegan Vibes, yet? You're gonna love this book. It's got 100 delicious vegan recipes that are inspired by the South, by my travels all around the world, and just like good food. You know what I'm saying? Order today. I love buying these cremini mushrooms here at Costco. They are only $4.89, so under $5 for so many mushrooms. And a lot of people I know want to eat more mushrooms. They tend to be pretty expensive if you buy them at the regular grocery store. So buying them at Costco is a great way to get your healthy mushrooms in. Also, they've got these white mushrooms here that are even more affordable. They're under $4 for a pound and a half of mushrooms. That's pretty impressive. But those cremini ones that I showed you over there, they are organic. So if you want to do all organic, that's great. I don't know how important that is with mushrooms. I have to look that up. But just know that at Costco, they've got both for under $5. Very impressive. The baked goods smell so amazing. We just saw some beautiful looking cinnamon rolls. I am looking forward to the day that Costco starts selling vegan baked goods. I don't know why in 2025 they don't have them yet. They do have good loaves of bread, but I'm talking vegan cupcakes and cakes and cinnamon rolls. Like, Costco, can we please have that? We'll buy it from you. We're walking by and I see something that wasn't on my list. They've got a huge tub of wild brine sauerkraut. I love this brand for my sauerkraut. They also make a really good kimchi. They've made all sorts of delicious fermented vegetables. This is a huge tub. I think I'm gonna pick it up. It's only $10. It's a good price. I don't know if you guys are like me, but when I buy these enormous quantities of things like sauerkraut at Costco, I often share them with my family so that we can all enjoy them. And these are products that, like, my grandmother, she doesn't shop at Costco and she shops at more expensive stores. If I buy this and share it with her, she saves money, I save money, and everybody's happy. So they have it. I was looking for tofu, okay? They often don't have it at this location. It kind of depends on your Costco, but actually they have it, so I'm gonna go get some. Oh, look, they've got kimchi also. I might put that sauerkraut back. I want kimchi more than sauerkraut, but let's see if this is vegan kimchi. I'm not sure. It's not vegan, so I won't be buying this. Oh well, and the price is so good. It's only $9. So this thing of tofu costs $7.50. That's less than $2 per tofu block. There are 4 in here. That's a pretty good price, you guys. You know how much tofu I go through? I really should probably get 2 of these. Should I? I just got a lot of Costco. I just got a lot of tofu at another store, but I'm gonna get 2. I just want to highlight a few products that I see in Costco today that I think can really help you to eat healthier. For example, these pre-cooked beets. I love beets. I eat them all the time, but they do take a little while to cook. I usually steam them in my Instant Pot, which is easy, but you know, you got to buy fresh beets, blah, blah, blah. You can also buy them pre-cooked at Costco. This is a good brand. I have had these. You can add them to your salads, to your bowls. Just eat them as a snack if you love beets like I do. I've got a lot of beet recipes on my blog, so check those out, but shout out to these. I love to buy my frozen blueberries here, nowhere else. I like to get the wild blueberries over the organic. The wild ones are sweeter. They don't have pesticides on them. They test them for it, so I don't have to worry about that. They're delicious. Every morning I add these wild blueberries to Baby J's oatmeal. She loves them. Even when we do pancakes, I'll often thaw them out in the microwave and she'll put them on top of her pancakes or waffles or whatever. And of course, add them to smoothies. Baby J loves them so much that she'll just eat them frozen right out of the bag. Not only do I love the frozen blueberries here at Costco, but all of their frozen berries are fantastic. They've got cherries, strawberries, they've got the berry mixes, they have smoothie mix. And beyond that, in general, the frozen vegetables and fruit at Costco are my favorite. It's really important to remember that frozen food is frozen at its peak freshness, meaning it still retains the nutrients from the fresh plant. So if you want to save time and you want to eat healthier, be sure to stock up on frozen fruits and vegetables. Here at Costco, you can get everything from frozen peas to frozen spinach and broccoli and everything in between. And that will help you hopefully live a healthier life. Just make healthy eating even easier. Edamame is one of my favorite snacks. If you guys have watched my videos, you know how much I eat edamame, and I buy it here at Costco. It comes in individually wrapped plastic bags, which I don't love because it's a lot of plastic waste, but I also do love because it is so convenient to grab a bag, boil them up, and have an edamame snack. But yes, I buy them here. It's a great price. This 6-pound bag of edamame costs $14. So that's just a little bit over $2 a pound, which is definitely less expensive than your regular grocery stores. Now it's time for me to get my olive oil. I love buying olive oil here at Costco, mostly because it is the least expensive. I'm talking 2 liters for under $20, which is even cheaper than other inexpensive discount grocery stores. So when I'm buying my olive oil, I always look for it to be extra virgin olive oil and also stored in glass. That's because when you store oil, any type of oil in plastic, it starts to leach some of the chemicals from the plastic into the oil. So make sure to buy it in glass. And here at Costco, it comes at a great price. I'm gonna get this bundle of 2 extra virgin olive oils from Spain for just $18. I love it. I'm gonna get my agave. I always buy it here at Costco. The best price, honestly. 2 for $9, like incredible. Anywhere else you buy 1 of them for $6. Or 1 this big, honestly, would be like $10. So agave, I add this to my coffee in the morning, and that's basically it. Oh, my turmeric latte at night. But that's basically it. So I don't go through too much of this, but it's an essential part of my regular routine. I buy my nuts at Costco. Today I've just got to get a big old bag of almonds. You guys already know why, the price. This 3-pound bag of almonds costs just $12, so that's $4 a pound. It's a good price. I go through so many almonds. I love them so much. I have to buy them at Costco. I'm also going to get a bag of pecans. I love them. Snack on them. I add them to baked goods, especially my tahini cookies, granola, put them on salads. Pecans are really great for you. So get a bag of these. I am not getting walnuts today. I already have a lot at home. And just so you know, all of these nuts, especially the pecans and the walnuts, which are like softer nuts and can go rancid more quickly, you can store these in the freezer and they will last longer. So keep that in mind, especially if you're buying large quantities of nuts at Costco. No shade on this brand of seaweed, but the Costco brand is so much better. Like so much better. I don't eat a lot of seaweed myself, but I really buy this for Baby J and her friends. All children love seaweed and it's a nice healthy snack for them. Yes, it's pretty salty, but you know, I think that's okay for children as long as they're not eating a whole entire huge package. Also, seaweed has iodine, which is an essential nutrient for everyone, and it's kind of difficult to get as a vegan. So eat lots of sea vegetables to get your iodine. Rice time. I buy my brown rice here at Costco. I like this organic jasmine brown rice. Oh, it's so heavy. How many pounds is this? Ooh, this is 10 pounds. You know, you can practice your exercise with these huge 10-pound bags of food, especially when you're just bringing it home. You do squats like it's a baby. Ooh, but I'm not wearing the right outfit for exercise, but you could do that. Another sweetener that I always buy at Costco is my maple syrup. Great price. I love maple syrup. I add it to our breakfast, you know, oatmeal in the morning. Of course, our pancakes, waffles, all those things. But yeah, it's just one of these staples that I get at Costco. Save so much money. It's so much less expensive than most grocery stores. If you're trying to eat more protein, then you should try adding more hemp hearts and also chia seeds to your diet. They're so easy to add to smoothies, to your oatmeal in the morning, to your granola. Delicious and full of complete protein. Now, I'm not the hugest fan of hemp hearts or chia. If I do chia, I like a chia pudding. Since I really don't eat that much of it, these are not products that I buy at Costco because they're gonna sit in my freezer for far too long. Just 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts has 10 grams of complete protein. Plus, they're high in so many other minerals and vitamins and an amazing source of omega-3 fatty acids. They're so easy to just add to your smoothies and your oatmeal. And I'm really talking myself into buying these. I say I don't really like hemp, but you know what? I like it now. I'm gonna buy it. All right, so now it's time to get all of our produce. I'm gonna start with the avocado. Avocados are really expensive right now, but I'm gonna buy them anyway because we love avocados. Just yesterday, baby Jay was complaining. She was like, Mommy, I haven't even had avocados in like 2 weekends. So I said, honey, I'll get you some avocados. So let me get some avocados. This is kind of pricey, but it's actually still a good price. 6 avocados for like $11. Avocados are pricey. The only thing is, whenever I buy them, I always like to make sure they're either from California or Mexico. I don't really like them from anywhere else. These are from Chile. They might be okay. Okay, I'm gonna put them in the cart and I'm gonna think about it. I'm also gonna buy some navel oranges. I think I need to get some apples, some berries for sure, and some bell peppers. I love Costco not just for my produce and my groceries, but also for the household stuff. Like, I just saw these shelves. I was hoping they would have these shelves today. They're only $30 for this entire plastic shelving unit. I'm gonna put it in my crawl space. I'm trying to organize down there. So I'm gonna get me one of these, and I'm also gonna check out the kitchen small appliances section and the storage section because I want some new glass storage containers because I've got some new shelves in my pantry. I love buying that sort of stuff here at Costco. It's always the most affordable, least expensive. Just a few things that they sell at Costco that can also make healthy eating easier. A salad spinner. If you don't already have a salad spinner, you should probably get one because it makes washing your greens and your lettuce so much easier, meaning you're more likely to actually eat it. Now, if you're not eating a ton of lettuce and greens every day, then this little salad spinner is perfect. I will admit, I eat a lot of vegetables and greens, you guys know, and I've gone through like 4 of these, and eventually I decided to just buy a restaurant grade salad spinner. So that's what I have. It costs like $100. But if you're just starting out and you want something simple and you're just, washing small quantities of, lettuce and herbs, then this one is perfect. Another great deal are these 2 Dutch ovens for $60. So usually you'll buy a Dutch oven like this, like if you bought it at, let's say TJ Maxx or Home Goods, it's probably gonna be around $40 to $45. So 2 for $60 is really impressive. I like cooking with Dutch ovens because it's enameled cast iron. Cast iron holds heat really well and evenly, and because it's enameled, it's naturally non-stick and no harmful chemicals in your cookware. You don't have to worry about that with this. I love cooking with stainless steel. Now, cast iron and stainless steel, if you ask me what type of pots, cookware you should buy, those are my 2 favorite, especially for like affordable everyday options. Stainless steel is also great because it's just stainless steel. It's easy to wash. It is not totally non-stick, but a little bit of oil, a little bit of water, that's all you really need, and it should last you for a very, very long time. This is a stainless steel wok, but they also have more stainless steel, other cookware over here, also at a great price. I love these glass mason jar food storage containers. They seal so you can store your nuts and your grains and your sugar and all that stuff in here. I already have some at home and I'm really excited to see that they have more. So I'm gonna get 1 more pack. They sell my favorite food processor. This is the Cuisinart 12 cup food processor. It comes with all these different attachments so that you can grate food, shred, thinly slice, of course process. And when people ask me what small kitchen appliance they should buy when they just start a healthy vegan diet, I always recommend the food processor. That and the blender, but honestly even more the food processor, because you can chop vegetables. It makes your meal prep so much easier. You can also make hummuses, and you can make dips and salsas and chocolate sauces and healthy desserts and just so many different things with the food processor. And this one is $200 here at Costco. They've had this one here for a long time. So I feel pretty confident that if you're looking for it, it will be here. And yes, this is a great price. I have finished doing my Costco shopping. Today I spent a lot of money. I got a lot of stuff, but I haven't been here in like 2 months. So I feel okay about it. I feel very good about everything I purchased. So let's check out and head home. Just finished all the Costco shopping. I stocked up on so much good stuff, and I'm so pleased that they had literally everything I was looking for today, which doesn't always happen because the inventory changes over time. It's seasonal. You don't know if they're gonna have the random glass jars that you bought 1 year ago, and just so happened today that they did. How lucky am I? I love Costco. If you guys love it too, let me know what you like to purchase here. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. And also, if you've got a request for me to go shopping at any other grocery store, let me know. I know right now I'm already thinking about how fun it would be to go shopping at Aldi and show you what I like to buy there. Also, I love Lidl. We've already done a Trader Joe's, but you know, their inventory is also always changing, so maybe we can go back there. I don't know. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you like to buy at these stores, and I'll go and check them out. I have got to head home right now because I do have a lot of frozen stuff in the car, and this Costco is like 30 minutes from my house. Maybe more because we are in rush hour right now and this is Atlanta. But let me get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun shopping at Costco with you. I'll see you next time. Bye.